Hey crypto enthusiasts! Ever wondered if your Bitcoin is stuck on an island? Safely secured on an exchange like Gemini, but unable to explore the vast world of other wallets and platforms? Well, fear not, fellow adventurers. Because today, we're diving deep into the question, can you send Bitcoin from Gemini to another wallet? Now, some of you might be crypto veterans, but for those who are just getting their wings, Gemini is a popular exchange where you can buy, sell, and store various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. But what if you want to transfer your Bitcoin to a different wallet, maybe one you control directly, or perhaps to another exchange that offers a specific service? That's where the magic of inter-wallet transfers comes in. Imagine Bitcoin as a fearless explorer, ready to journey from the familiar shores of Gemini to new and exciting destinations. So, can our intrepid Bitcoin take flight? Buckle up, because the answer is a resounding yes. Here's the thing, Bitcoin, and most cryptocurrencies for that matter, operate on a decentralized network, meaning there's no central bank controlling the flow. This translates to freedom for your Bitcoin. It can travel between compatible wallets as long as they both support the same cryptocurrency. So, how do we facilitate this grand crypto expedition? Here's where the process gets interesting. We'll be using Gemini as our launchpad, but the general steps will be applicable to most exchanges. First things first, you'll need to access your Gemini account and navigate to the section for sending cryptocurrency. This might be labeled as withdraw or transfer. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by a list of cryptocurrencies you hold on Gemini, including, of course, Bitcoin. Now, the key element for a successful launch, the destination address. This is essentially the landing zone for your Bitcoin on the other wallet. It's a unique string of characters that identifies the specific location where you want your Bitcoin to arrive. Here's the crucial part, extreme caution is advised. Think of the destination address as a secret code for a hidden treasure chest. Sending your Bitcoin to the wrong address is like burying your treasure on a deserted island with no map. It's almost impossible to recover. To avoid any mishaps, there are two main ways to obtain the destination address. Your new wallet. If you're transferring to another wallet you control, you'll need to find the receive function within that wallet. This will provide the all-important destination address. Often, wallets offer a QR code alongside the address for easier scanning. Another exchange. If you're sending Bitcoin to another exchange, the process is similar. Locate the deposit section for Bitcoin and copy the destination address they provide. Once you have the destination address securely copied, you'll be able to paste it into the designated field on Gemini. Here's another pro tip, double check, triple check, heck, quadruple check that the address is copied accurately. Even a single typo can send your Bitcoin on a one-way trip to crypto oblivion. After confirming the address, you'll likely be prompted to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Remember, transaction fees might apply, so factor that into your transfer amount. Finally, there might be an additional security step, like two-factor authentication, to verify it's really you making the transfer. With all the steps completed and double-checked, you're ready to hit the launch button and send your Bitcoin on its exciting journey. The transfer time can vary depending on network congestion, but once it's complete, you should see your Bitcoin reflected in your new wallet. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the world of inter-wallet transfers. Now, your Bitcoin can explore new frontiers and potentially unlock new opportunities within the vast crypto ecosystem. Remember, sending cryptocurrency is irreversible. Always ensure you're sending it to the correct address and double-check everything before hitting that confirmation button. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.